Hello, hello. Come on in. Welcome to the ASMR OBGYN clinic. My name is Lee and I will be taking you back today, getting your vitals and just confirming reason for appointment. How are you today? Good. And do you mind giving me your first and last name? Okay, and then date of birth? Perfect. It looks like they have you on the schedule for your annual examination, and it looks like you'll be due for your pap smear today as well. Does that sound right? Yep, yeah. So they're gonna plan to do a breast examination. They'll be doing an abdominal exam where they press on your belly, and then a pelvic exam where they just kind of take a look inside, make sure everything looks super healthy. There's no signs of infections or polyps or any concerns. You won't always necessarily get a pap smear yearly, which a lot of people think the two are the same, but they're not. Pap smear is the name for that cervical cancer screening test. Your last one was 3 years ago, so that makes you due for another one today. So I did just want to make sure we were on the same page with that. Okay, so you're good for the pap smear. And did you need additional STI screening while we were down there for us to collect like a gonorrhea, chlamydia, or trick? We can do that while we're there. Are you having any vaginal concerns today at all? Okay, cool. Just want to make sure. So let me just, what I am going to need to do is just kind of confirm your medical history, and then we'll get started with your vitals. Do you mind confirming current medical conditions that you've been diagnosed with or that you're getting treated for? Okay. And what medication do you take with that? How often? Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Excellent. Any other medical conditions at all? Seasonal. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. And then as far as surgeries, it looks like we just have tonsil removal as well as adenoids. Okay, just making sure that's right. As far as social history, do you smoke or drink at all? Kind of rarely. And what about marijuana or substance use? Okay. And then as far as family history, anyone newly diagnosed in the family with breast, ovarian, uterine cancer? And what about colon or cervical? Okay. And how old were they? Gotcha. Okay. And then let's see here. Are you still in a relationship? Same partner from when we last saw you? And have you changed any methods of birth control at all? Okay. And you haven't been to like a urgent care or other clinic in the past year, ever been diagnosed with any new sexually transmitted infection or? Okay. And just to confirm, you've never been told that you had an abnormal pap smear in the past or that cervical cancer screen? Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So I think that's all I need from you. How tall are you, by the way? Okay, so if it's okay with you, I am going to get your blood pressure and your temperature. Do you know roughly how much you weigh? And you said you were 5'7"? Okay. All right, so how about we get started on vitals, and then I will get your room set up. I'll kind of show you the equipment that we're going to use today, and then you should be good to go. For sure, yeah, no problem. All right. So let's start with the blood pressure cuff. Alrighty. I am just going to put this around your arm. And if you could flatten your feet for me, thank you. Alright, let's get this going here. blood pressure is normal. So that all looks good there. Let me get all the extra air out of the arm cuff for you. I'm doing great today. Thank you for asking. I cannot complain. You can slide your arm out. There we go. Perfect. Let's put this away and then we'll get a temperature check. Right. Next up, we'll do that temperature check here. All right. There we go. And then let me just pull this here, and here, and here. Perfect. I'm gonna have to throw that away in a second. All right, this is gonna go right underneath your tongue. There you go. Now we are just gonna have to wait a little bit for those results. All right, your temperature is normal. Let me just grab an alcohol swab here to take this off. Okay, there we go. That'll go in the garbage. Okay, so we are all done with all of that. Let me grab the clipboard here. Just gonna write your blood pressure as well as your temperature. Perfect. So let's set up the tray, shall we? So this is the tray that Leanna, the PA, will be using. We have a speculum on there. Of course, we'll start with a smaller size, and if we ever need to adjust it, we'll let you know. We have your PAP container here. This is for the cervical cancer screen. So we are just going to wipe some cells off of your cervix with these two brushes. This is what we call a spatula, and this is what we call a cyto brush. Okay? It's not spiky, I swear. It's kind of soft and fluffy. And then if there's any discharge or any concerns, as well as the fact that you're going to get additional STI swab testing for gonorrhea, chlamydia, chik, we'll get it through a vaginal swab. And then the last part of the exam where we feel for any cysts or masses, we have a lubricant here as well. Do you have any questions about any of the products that we'll be using? Okay, now I know you wanted STI screening added to your PAP. Did you want us to order blood work for you as well for like hepatitis, syphilis, HIV? You're okay with just the swab? Okay, and then I am leaving some gloves out for her. They're cute and pink. We love that. So what I'm gonna do is I am actually gonna give you some privacy, and then I am going to leave a drape on the counter right over here, and you can keep your top on. You'll just take your bra off. You'll get undressed waist down if that's okay, and you'll take this drape and you'll lay it over you, and then Leanna, the PA, will be in to do your annual exam. Not a problem at all. I'll give you some privacy here, and she will be in shortly. I'll see ya. Alrighty. Hello. My name is Leanna, and I'll be the PA doing your annual examination today. Looks like you're not really having any symptom concerns at all, just kind of straightforward annual. We'll add some STI screening to your cervical cancer screen on the PAP today. Was there anything else that we were missing, or any questions or concerns you had today? Pretty straightforward. All right, well, let me put your chart down here. And I am just gonna put some gloves on, and we'll actually start with the breast exam and kind of work our way down. So let me just put these on here. Do you do self-breast exams? Okay, good, awesome. Do them like once a month or so? Okay, awesome, sounds good. So we're actually gonna start with this breast, if that's okay. You're just gonna feel my gloves here. Well, I don't see any concerning skin changes at all, which is great. Let's see. You haven't noticed any nipple discharge or anything like that? Good. Okay. Do you mind lifting this arm up for me? I do just want to assess the lymph nodes here, noting the size, shape, mobility of them. I'm not seeing any redness or swelling like I said, so that's really good. Okay. And nipple discharge. Okay. And no lumps that I'm feeling there. So I am going to cover up this side and I'm going to make my way around. Apologies. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do this breast here. I'm just gonna lift this a little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay. Same thing, I don't see any nipple inversions, skin changes. I'm not feeling any lumps. Do you mind lifting this arm here? Thank you. Okay. All right. And this breast appears to be within normal limits as well. So keep doing those monthly self-breast checks because you are doing amazing with that. I am just gonna lift this a little bit here just to assess your abdomen. You're gonna feel me pressing there. Any pain at all when I do that? I'm gonna press a little deeper now. Okay, no pain. Very good. I'm not seeing any signs of hernia or skin changes, rebound tenderness. I'm just gonna do a little bit of percussing. Okay. Abdominal exam appears within normal limits. Are you having any urinary concerns? Burning in your pee, peeing too much? Okay, so I am gonna help you here. I do just have to bring it down a little bit. If you wouldn't mind scooching down. There you go. Okay. Let's see, I'm just gonna move you a little bit. There you go. Is that comfortable there? As comfortable as it can be. I know it feels like you're falling off, but I promise you, you are not. Okay. So, let's see here. I am just gonna move you a little bit more. There you go. And then, let's see, let me get you covered. I can never figure out the right placement of these things, I'm telling you. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull the stirrups out here. You can scoot a little bit more down just to kind of rest your feet. Perfect. Let me fix this for you so you can kind of see what's going on. All right, so we have our pap specimen container. Okay, we've got our pap brushes, smaller speculum, and then we've got some lubricant waiting, okay? Awesome, so I am gonna begin this with an external assessment. So I am just going to shine a light here, okay? Okay, and you are just gonna feel my gloves here on the outside. I just need to make sure I don't see any suspicious moles or bumps or anything like that. Okay, you let me know if you get too uncomfortable. All right, so we are taking a look at the outside, outer labia. I'm not seeing any suspicious bumps or moles. Kind of looking down at the perineum, which is the skin between your vaginal opening and your rectal. All right, anus appears normal, no concerns there. So external exam appears completely fine. I am putting a little bit of lubricant on the speculum here. Now you're gonna feel that internal pressure so we can see the vagina, okay? Awesome. You'll feel that cold pressure. Lots of pressure here. I do see your cervix. Everything looks good. You doing okay? Good. We are going to open this up. I do always like to give a friendly reminder that ASMR PAPs are a lot longer than normal PAPs, okay? All right, I'm gonna feel the first brush here. We're doing your pap smear right now. Alrighty, this brush goes in. You're gonna feel the second one here called the spatula. Alrighty, all done. Some of our cervixes can be a little bit sensitive, so if you get any pinkish discharge or some slight bleeding, that's completely okay. Just want to give you a heads up. Okay, that's all collected. Let me get that STI swab collected for you here. Okay, and that is collected. We'll send that out to the lab as well. I am going to take the speculum out. And the last part of this examination is an internal exam with my glove to make sure I don't feel any cysts or anything. But you're not having pelvic pain, right? Awesome. All right. So you're just going to feel my gloves here and a lot of pressure here on your lower abdomen. Any pain there? Any pain here? Here? All right, good. And I'm not feeling any enlargements or anything. All right. Well, your anal exam is complete today. I will be sure to give you some privacy just so you can get dressed and all of that. But we should have your pap results within a couple days. You'll have access to it on your chart online. Of course, if something is not normal, I'll give you a call, but otherwise you'll have access to seeing if it is. For PAPs, I'll actually send you a message saying it's normal just because a normal result reads kind of confusingly. But do you have any questions for me? Okay, awesome, very good. But I will update the girls on checkout as far as how your exam went. But you should be all set in clinic today, okay? Absolutely, it's not a problem at all. I'm gonna give you some privacy and then you'll see Lee at the front desk, okay? Awesome, it was a pleasure seeing you.